All right, so I need to give you guys two more words. So these are words that don't appear till later in the book, but I can't strike them from my vocabulary, so I need to tell you about them. So these are domain and range that we're going to talk about, and they're not super hard. We already have a good handle on what these ought to be. So let me define them. The domain of a function f is all the possible inputs for f. Right? So f's a machine. The domain is all the things that fit into the machine. The range of a function f is all the possible. I hope this doesn't surprise you. It should be the outputs, right? Okay. So what this means is that I can draw a nice picture. My picture is this one, and I'm going to draw this picture a lot. So here, over here, I have some stuff. I have a rule that goes someplace. So here's my rule f, right? It's the moving, right? It's the machine. These are the inputs. That's my domain over there. So domain, think inputs. Over here, I've got the range. Think outputs. And the kind of picture I'm drawing specifically is over here there's an x, right? That x ends up over here someplace as an f of x. So usually, right, this thing is kind of the x-axis, this thing's kind of the y-axis, and f is this kind of graph in between them, right? This set of input-output pairs, right? So it's the pairs of something in the domain with something in the range that it goes to. Cool? For right now, I just want you to have the idea that these are all the possible inputs and all the possible outputs. We'll talk about what that means in terms of numbers later. Cool?